Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are digging into the Coven Cosmetics palette and creating a dark, spooky looking eye. So if you'd like to see what I create, keep watching. And I want to say to all of you new comers to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. We welcome you to be a part of the little YouTube family here that I have been building for the last year. While you're here, please, if you have not, subscribe and ring that bell so you will get every upload that every notice when I upload. And if you don't mind, please make sure you hit the like button and comment on my video because it really helps me grow here on YouTube, and I will do the same for you if you have a channel. So I already have my face products done because I had to do a video earlier. So I'm going to just jump in, do my eyes. I think today I'm going to use the P. Louise base in number 2. And we are going to jump into this palette. Now, I got this palette last year, and I became a maven with Coven Cosmetics. And my code will be below for you if you would like to purchase this palette. And they have came out with some really great things. So that will be in the description box below. This one is a very good palette. It's got great pigmentation. It blends well. The glitters are good. It's just all around a good palette. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M173 brush. This is a wonderful brush to blend out an eye base with. It's my favorite. I need to get a couple just to keep on hand for extras. I'm gonna start out with this little MOTD brush that I got from Pixi. And I want to go into the burgundies and maybe the black. So this is the palette. If you have not seen it, it does come with a mirror. It's, you know, decent size. The back of the palette is like this. So we gonna jump in. I'm gonna dust this color right here over my lids just a little bit. I grab this little MOTD brush and I'm going to go into this color right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this this brush. I mean this mirror. Oh, she pigmented, guys. She's so pigmented. Then I'm going to go in with this little Morphe blender brush. This is the M562. And then I'm just going to go back and forth on this color that I laid down and just blend out the edges. And then I'm going to go over here to this brown right here with a little bitty brush, and I'm just going to go right underneath this. Then I'm going to jump back over here to this brush that I started out with because it's a pointed blender brush. The tip of it is. I'm just going to work this up into that first color and blend. Now I'm going to go back in with this little Morphe blender brush, and I'm just going to blend. Then I'm just going to take the color that I already have on the brush, and I'm just going to work it back and forth right out here, bringing the color back just a little bit. Because I am going to cut the crease. Okay, now I'm going to go over and catch the other eye up, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, now I am back, and what I did the same thing to the other eye, but I did add just a pop of this color right here in with this to make it darker. Okay guys, now I'm back. I know I look ridiculous, but trust the process. I used the Gerard Clean Canvas in Fair, and I did a full cut crease, and let me just say, and I know y'all are gonna get tired of me saying this is dirty, but if you are trying to learn cut creases, if you are doing cut creases, this brush right here, honestly, I heard a long time ago this brush was life-changing and it helped really cut your crease very well. It is the Sigma E62. Guys, you need this brush because I'll tell you why. Everybody cuts their crease the same, so if you see how this brush lays down, and you can just draw your cut crease, okay, and it's done in so much faster time. Now it took a little bit longer because I did clean off my lids with the Vaseline like I showed you before, but this brush right here, wow. I've been using the ABH 18 brush for a long time, and this is a good brush too, but it's a concealer brush. I mean, it will help you get up in there, you know, but this one doesn't get it everywhere, and you can just draw it and then fill it in. It's so much easier. And it is around 16 to 20 bucks. I think I paid 16 for it. But this brush right here is worth everything if you're cutting creases. So just wanted to throw that in there. Now we are going to go in with the black. And that is this right here. And I am going to stay with this little MOTD Masterpiece Crease brush. So I picked up a little pigment, and I'm going to start about right here, my outer third. And I'm just going to go in here and start blending out that black. I can't remember. I know I used this black last year because I used this palette during Halloween. Kind of has blended out to a little bit of a light wash of a gray, so let's build that up just a little bit more. I don't want to go in all ham. Now I'll go in and blend that out just a little. And then I'm going to pick up that little Morphe brush, this one right here. All right, now I'll be cleaning this up here in just a little bit. So now I'm gonna jump over and get that, knock that black out, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna add another color. Okay guys, now I am back and, ooh, don't drop the mirror. I wanna dip in, I guess I'm gonna dip into this purple right here. And I cleaned off this brush and I'm going to use it. I'm trying to keep with the same brushes this week so I don't have my whole bathroom counter or tub filled with brushes. Once I clean them, I have to lay them out and let them dry. So we're going to take that purple and we're going to add it there to the end of that black and just get us a good little base built up. All right, now I'm going to take a shader brush. Smack them hands, girl. All right, so we're going to go into this AOA. This is a E122. This is another brush I cannot live without, and I need to order me another one. I didn't mean for this to be all and about brushes, but this is a good brush. It's $1. You can't beat that, and they last forever. So now I'm going to go in with this shader brush, and I'm going to start packing down that purple color that I just used. Since it's the month of October, I need to put a couple of looks up Manic Monday right here. What do y'all think about that? I might put that gray too. I don't know. Let me see here. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the gray. So let me grab another AOA brush. They're so good. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Okay, I do need to go in here and pack a little bit more black in this corner, and I'm going to put on a liner, and then I will be back to finish up the eyes with you. Okay guys, I'm back. I was gonna put my lashes on with you, and then I forgot I had these on, so it took a few minutes and I didn't want to take a long time doing the video. So we're going to do the under eye and the lip together, and I'm gonna go back into the Coven palette. I am going to get a eyeliner, and I hate to use this because I'll be taking this look off here in a few minutes, but this this longwear eyeliner it will stay. I'm telling you, it will stay. It'll probably still be there tomorrow when I wake up because I'm not going to put eye makeup remover in my waterline. But this is the Nanacoco longwear eyeliner in black. And so I'm going to do my waterline. Okay, and then I use the Inglot liner in black liner. So then we are going to go in with the eye definer, if I can find it, the eye defining brush by Jaclyn Hill, and I'm going to just stamp this in my pan in the black. And then I'm just going to stamp it along my lash line. And so what I'm doing is I go in here, I'm grabbing the liner that's close enough to the lash line. And I'm just trying to blend that in with the black. And then I'm going to clean this brush and go in with the burgundy. And then I'm going to go in with my under eye brush and I'm going to blend. And I just want to put just barely, I'm not going to stick it in, but I'm just going to get just a little bit on it. Okay, you don't need to use a lot of this stuff because it's just a little bit'll do you. Then I'm going to try to go in and draw the inside of my eye. Line. To connect them. Perfect! This was supposed to be an unboxing. I have not unboxed it yet, but I got this. We'll just do it in this video. This is the Get Stoned by Get Stoned Cosmetics. Not the, I guess it could mean that too. This is the pen, and it has the wax pen that you can pick up stones with, and then you can move them around with this part. And I got 2 bags of jewels. And I want to use both. One is purple and one is black. So I think I might just try the black and see what. I was going to do this off camera. I'll try one and see how it goes. I've not been very lucky at getting pens to work, but when I saw this one, I saw Rose and Ben on Instagram had this one, and she made it look really easy. So let's see. I didn't have nails either at the time. Okay, there's one. Oh wait, I have to put something for them to stick to, Belinda. You're not a fucking magnet, dum-dum. I'll put one there. Okay, well, they're not completely even, but y'all get the gist of it. I've been wanting one of these things that I can actually, it's not as easy as it looks, but I guess you have to have a really steady hand. So I'm glad that I got this. That way I can maneuver. I don't know how many tools that I have actually bought that did not work correctly. and I couldn't pick up anything with them, and I can't do it with my nails, that's for sure. So this was a great little find. Get Stoned, I will try to leave them linked below, but yeah. And it actually has some beads in here, but I don't know if you can get them out. But I love the color of the thing, and it comes in this. So there's that. And now we just need to put a lip on. And this is Underworld by Gerard Cosmetics. And I do have a code with Gerard that will save you money off of your purchase if you would like to purchase anything, or go have a look around. My favorites are all in these videos, but I will link this below. I'm going to spray my face with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in Dreamsicle. And I already have on and use my Marilyn and those two right there together. And I already have my face products on, so I hope y'all like this little dark little Halloween spooky like type eye. Putting it everywhere now. Okay guys, that is the end of this Manic Monday video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.